Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, so this right here is the driver's side headlight to a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the actual headlight assembly, okay? It's very easy. Right now the bumper is off of this vehicle, which is going to make it a little easier to show you how to remove it. But technically you have to take the bumper off to be able to remove it, because the bumper sits in this groove here, so the bumper has to come off. But it's easier for me to show you, all right, with the bumper already off. So basically you have a 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, and then you have a 12 millimeter here. All right, you take those three screws out. Now right here is a clip to be able to pull the light out. You kind of just push down on the light and just pull it out of the clip. You know, try not to break the clip. You just pull down, pull it out, it'll come directly out. So there's actually a clip right here on the side too. This one you kind of pull up a little bit and pull out, but once you pull, they're gonna come out. I mean, the clip's not, you know, so hard that it'll break or anything like that. You just give it a little tug and it'll pull out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you have this headlight connection here. You're just gonna push down on it like that and pull out, okay? You're gonna grab the light from here and here and just kind of wiggle it a little bit, and there you go. The whole entire light is out, okay? Now, to put it back in, I'm just gonna line it up. This part right here goes in here, okay? So just like that, and then you're just gonna push up on it. Now remember, you have to get this clip pushed in too. So you have to see that. So that's in there. That's actually holding that now. Okay. So we got both clips in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 12 millimeter bolt in first. Now we're going to put the two 10 millimeters in. Now after that, you're going to get the electrical connection and then snap that on just like that. Give it a pull, make sure it's on there, and that's it. That's how you remove the headlight from a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. It wasn't that hard. All right, guys, I'm out.